Kumentru rang ba kejala Meghalaya henne ka sengi ka arpoi tarik unai lor arja arpo la Pdiang sangu bhai ka jing Pdiang artli ki bill Rajya Sabha bar kita ki long Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020 bar ka Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020 habakran khila bathai khubor konrat sangma ulo makini ki bill jong ki Nongrep ki long ki bapaka bha na ka Bynta jongki bar wong balade ban pun mi kum kini ki bill na do minchwa.
This farmers bill is something which is very positive. It's something I think that should have been done quite a long time back. This is a bill that is going to liberate the farmers in one way. It is going to give more options and open up the market so that farmers can end up getting a better price for their products and be able to sell their products to a larger customer base. So I think it's a very positive bill, and I'm sure that it will give much more economic benefit to the farmers. Also, the fact that contract farming also is something that we all know, in one way or the other, it used to take place, but there was no formal structure or a policy that had been framed earlier, and therefore things were not happening in a structured manner. But now that this aspect has come in, I think this itself also will open up a huge opportunity for the farmers, where you can actually have collaboration between the farmers and people who are interested in investing in the farmers and ensuring that the production is there and the farmers get the necessary financial support that they require. So I think overall it's a very positive move, and is something that I'm very sure will help the farmers in the overall economic situation.